Hashtag growth. This is something which is coming for all the mutual fund distributors of India from the volatility coaches of India. In hashtag growth, we will have series which will bring all the success formulas for all the mutual fund distributors so that they can grow. The first in this series is on digital interface. So let's watch how all the volatility coaches are using digital interface to grow their business. Welcome.
Request all of you to be a bit more interactive on the chat. That would help all of us. And if you remember the advertisement, it never showed the features of a television. It never talked about the features of a television initially. It just played with the emotions of the people that it was giving an experience. Having a television set from Onida, it is you are making yourself a step ahead in the society. So selling in the new digital era, today's information is available in abundance to anyone and everyone. Just anyone who has an internet connection can Google and get any information across the globe sitting right in his office, or even most of the people. There was a survey done, most of the people use Google when they are in their toilets.
Thank you, Kanakji, and thank you all of my friends who are there at Volatility Coaches. Distributor engagement, we are basically into sub-distributor business model. So basically our job is to make them sub-distributor. So, and most of the distributor who has joined with us, they are very much new in this field.
So we adopted that technology. At the same time, our Kotak Group, where I am working for, also changed things, our back-end office digitally. So what happened is, now because of this, earlier in a place like Bangalore, when I used to do hardly about 2 or 3 meetings maximum, because going from one place to another place, it used to take 1 hour for a drive and then meeting and coming back. I could start doing at least 4 to 5 meetings a day, which is editable. We fill up the data sheet, send the KYC documents digitally to us. We upload into our system, sending for the approval. Approved, then we send the link for the payment. Only if the medical is required, the medical is arranged. And then once the payment is done, the policy is issued digitally.
So the only thing which personally I felt during lockdown is how to communicate with our back office people, because that has been really a biggest challenge, because sometimes client wants certain things, and if they are not delivered on time, or if there is any delay, certainly they also tend to get unrest. यार एक statement मांगा है या जो भी एक details मांगा है, why it is not coming, or I need a capital gain statement, especially during March, April sort of stuff. Very, very important. Something like if I have to talk to a particular client, if I have to share any details probably, or if there is any reminder to be set, then again Google Keep, Task Keep, all just get side by side in your email. So normally whenever we sit in front of the PC, our email gets open.
Whatever you are doing, the same thing only. But what I did, just now the previous speaker told, what I require, where I can implement, what is my process, and where I have to implement this digitalization. Just I thought of that. So when I saw that, my process when I wrote it, majorly for marketing, for new leads, I conduct IAP programs, awareness programs. And the second one is reviews for my clients. Always I will take care of through reviews only, what I have done for them and all. And client satisfaction also, survey, feedback, and again communication. These are my requirements. Right. Coming to the IAP or awareness programs, all these I have learned from you all, means the participants and Kanakji Group, Rebalance Volatility Coaches, and other groups like NetFP and other companies, everything all together, which we can do it. These are my tools. To market, I am using normal WhatsApp tools.
The digital has actually helped us in growing by about 50% growth we have received. When in the last March year 20, the AUM fell down, and so we were quite worried. And this year we have already grown by 50% of that, and on a sizable platform. It is actually, as soon as the lockdown started, we initiated the video KYC, and we had inbuilt the video KYC on our mobile tool also, mobile application also, and on our website also. So anybody could go, and I still remember I was talking to many of my neighbors. यार ये हमने नया इसको अपलोड कराया, कैन वी वुड लाइक टू टेस्ट इट आउट, एंड वी वर फेसिंग इनिशियल हिकअप्स, वी वर फेसिंग ऑन दैट.
So my advice to everyone, whatever the digitalization we are doing it's all getting inside the details of digitalization, but we need to be very, very careful while taking our data of our investor, valuable investor, to all such digital platforms, because a lot of time the data are getting misused by a lot of what you call the vendors, or insurance companies, or mutual fund industries, or whatever we call it basically. Like his son got admitted to hospital because of the COVID. Believe me, sir, he called me from there. Mr. Gupta, I need certain money out of my investment. Where do I redeem my money? Thanks to the digital platform like NSE platform, believe me, we could able to give him the money in the next 4 working days.
So yes, I need to, I think Saurabh ji talked about LinkedIn. I need to spend time there. I don't spend time on social media at all. I think my presence on social media is zero for the time being. So I think this is lockdown is telling us that we need to spend time there. Zoom, yes, we have picked up because we've done a lot of client meetings and webinars through Zoom, and this is also happening through Zoom. So that's a by default digital thing. Whether we are aware of it or not, it's becoming part of our life right now. The other solutions that we, in a brief manner, have used is like Google Sheets. We've done certain Google Sheets and all those kind of tools which are standard available to all of us. The other thing that we are going to be spending time right now is how do we document our processes and systems to enable us from a work from home model as we go forward.
This is Shikali Satsangi of Funds Data Agra. So I was asked to share a few ideas around how digitization has helped us and how is it that we are leveraging the power of technology to enhance our or expand our digital footprint. So everybody is aware that technology is permeating the entire ecosystem, and I think financial management is no such exception. So with the advent of robo-advisory, digital platform and omni-advisory channels, I think it is very important that if a firm wants to stay afloat, it needs to be well ahead of the tech curve. Having a virtual address lends a lot of credibility to a distributor or advisor. So as our web designers had suggested that we could do a SEO, and we went ahead with it, and I think that has also helped us.
जो लैंडिंग पेज आप बढ़िया लैंडिंग पेज आप एक आधे घंटे के अंदर बना सकते हैं, विद इन हाफ एन आवर, बढ़िया कोई IT पर्सन की जरूरत नहीं है. यू डायरेक्टली कैन ओपन, एंड वहाँ पे है बहुत सारे उनका है. clickfunnels.com में जाके आप वहाँ पे 14 दिन के लिए ClickFunnels आपको फ्री देता है. आपका कार्ड डिटेल्स डालेंगे तो फ्री दे देगा. जैसे ही 14 दिन होने से आपको 10 दिन के अंदर चाहिए ना, तो जैसे ही 12 दिन में आप एग्जिट कर देंगे, कार्ड से कैंसिल कर देंगे. तो ClickFunnels का आप यूज करके आज अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं, वो आपका यूजर ID पासवर्ड पूछेगा, पूछ के तो आपको कार्ड डिटेल्स डालना है, सीधा आपका ClickFunnels का अकाउंट ओपन करेंगे, देन बिल्ड फनल. तो आप बोलेंगे फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम फॉर डॉक्टर्स, तो उसी टाइप का बहुत सारे आपका आ जाएगा. तो उसमें आपको फिर जो एडिट करेंगे, जो आप हरी आप फ्री सीट्स अवेलेबल, तो आप खुद से कर सकते हैं. जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वाले पैसा लगाते हैं बहुत, राइट, वो आपने करवा लिए. करने के बाद क्या हो गया, उसका जो लिंक है ना, वो लिंक आप उसमें और एक आपके पास अगर एक डोमेन रहेगा ना, फॉर एग्जांपल biranchisarangi.com और एक biranchisarangi.co एंड और एक है askbiranchi.com. तो उसमें क्या ना, आपका जो ब्लॉग ऑटो रेस्पॉन्ड उनको इमीडिएटली ऑटो ईमेल जाएगा.
Initially, when the corona hit in March 2020, at that time we were so much used to conducting IIP programs externally in offices, in companies, in factories. We did a lot of IIP programs, and suddenly everything came to a halt. But fortunately, because of the digital technology and especially because of the Zoom platform, we managed to conduct over 90 such IAP programs all online. And you won't imagine, during this lockdown, the first lockdown, we managed to acquire over more than 600 new clients, open 600 Demat accounts only through connecting online. Digitally, by using this technology, we were able to generate much more number of